Alright guys, so if you're into my channel, then you know you're probably gonna see me in this background several times. Guys, I'm on a recording roll, and you're probably hearing music in the background. That's Swan Lake. It is ballet season here in New York, and ABT, which is American Ballet Theater, their season will be starting soon. So you guys are interested in ballet, I will put the details down below on how to go and check them out, because I will be checking them out this spring season here in New York. So enough with that. So I've been promising you guys videos and videos and videos. It's so much content that I want to get to you guys, so I'm going to try to record as much as I can tonight and at least get you guys a few videos. If you saw the first video that I uploaded, it was to get this look, and if you didn't want to see how to get this look, then you're here for this video, and this video is hair reviews. I found the company, not on AliExpress, the company called DSoar Hair. I found them, I've been hearing people rave about them, and I decided I wanted to give them a try. So I ordered this hair about 2 months ago. And I believe it was the deep wave? No, not the deep wave. It was some type of wave. I'm gonna put the name down below. But I ordered this. I've had it 2 months. I've washed it about 4 times. I will say that it is pretty straight now. I didn't blow it out. I did flat iron it once. Well, once in between, you know, washing it. But as you can see, this hair is 2 months old. It still is holding up pretty good. I have limited tangles. The only reason why it's tangling right now because it's due for a wash and moisturizing. I don't put a lot of products in this hair, but as you can see, it is very pretty. What can I say about this hair so far? After 2 months, I wanted to wait a while before I gave a review, because it makes no sense to give a review soon as you unbox it, because you'll be like, oh my god, this hair is the bomb, and then, you know, fast forward 4 weeks and you end up with like a bird's nest on your head. So what I did was I waited 2 months in between giving this review, and my review on this hair, I love this hair. They will have a customer for a while. I ordered another order from them. I ordered the deep wave. I will pop that on in a few, but in this unit I made myself. It's a 13 by 4 frontal, and the frontal is 18 inches, and it's 4 bundles in here. The bundles are full. I think in this set I got a 20, 22, a 24, and a 26. So it's 4 bundles, and as you can see, it's not super over the top thick, but it's very thick, and the hair is amazing. I'm going to plug up my curling iron really quick so you guys can see that it actually does hold the curl. Actually, I think I may do the wand, I'm not sure, but by the time I come back, you guys will figure out what I've decided to plug up so I can show you guys that this actually does hold a decent curl. One thing I will let you know is that when the hair does come, it comes in a nice cute little box. They send you like a set of lashes. The frontal does not come bleached, it does not come pre-tweezed, none of that. It's just raw. You can do whatever you want with it. It bleached pretty well, as you guys can see. I didn't super pluck my hairline or the frontal, because if you super pluck it and you super manipulate it, you will start to have shedding, and then you'll be really pissed off, and then you'll want to blame the company when it's really you. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm going to go get my curling appliance so you can see how this baby curls. Hold on one second. Alright guys, we're back. I changed my lipstick since we're not doing a makeup video, but I did change my lipstick to pop up my style list a little bit. So as these videos progress, I will be making small alterations to my makeup look. So if you're wondering what lipstick I have on the Patrick Star, what is this? Patrick Woo. So I know you guys see my video where I was bashing MAC. I had a relapse. I will give you a video all of my relapse and why I went back, kind of. So for right now, but that's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's slightly different than the Ruby Woo that we all love. So yeah, I'll give you a video on that. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're gonna talk about how this hair holds curls. So hopefully my curling wand has warmed up enough to show you so I don't look like a complete buffoon. And you're saying, that don't hold no curl. It does. Yeah, it seems warm enough. This is a little difficult because I'm curling it on my head versus on my wig stand when I actually do this. So we're just gonna hold this for a couple of seconds, and there's no curling product at all on this hair. This is just straight curling it. And bam, ew. So you guys see, it does curl. I mean, I like it. I haven't ordered their straight yet. I'm just putting my curl in. Give me a second, let me put this over to the side so I don't burn anything. So as y'all can see, this is a nice curl that this wonderful hair does. I have worn it completely like this, but like I said, I'm due for a nice wash for this. I do deep condition it so that way it holds up its nice luster. It doesn't need a whole bunch of product. As you can see, I got a good curl out of this and there's no product. So I will say when you get it, it has a wonderful S pattern, but when you wash it, it doesn't retain, it doesn't get that S pattern back. The curl does drop a little bit, but it's not bad at all. There's minimum shedding, and the reason why I say minimum shedding, it doesn't, when you install it, if you cut your wefts, you will get shedding. It's not the actual hair shedding. I recently started getting some shedding in the frontal part, and that's probably because it's a little over 2 months, and it could be my error where I may have over bleached my knots, so that can happen too. But as far as the back bundles, I have had no shedding, no tangling. I love this hair. It's holding up pretty good, and I can be really hard on hair. So if you guys want to try this hair, I will put the details down below. Fair warning, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the hair and I contacted them letting them know that I love the hair and that I would give them a review. So this is my honest review on this hair from them. I will put the name somewhere around here of the actual texture that I got. It is Brazilian virgin, 100% virgin hair. It's the pattern, I'm not 100% sure because like I said, it's 2 months since I ordered this hair, but I think it's the loose wave. But if I'm wrong, I will correct myself down below. So if you want to try out this hair, be sure to visit them. I will put their info down below, along with what actually I put in this unit. So guys, this video hasn't been super long, but I wanted to give you a look at this hair because I've been saying on my Instagram that I'm gonna get this done, and I haven't really had that much time to do it, you know, adulting 101. But it's up. This video is here, so if you have any questions about this hair, don't be shy, hit me up. I will give you my honest opinion. But for right now, I'm loving this hair and I have no complaints about it at all. Probably being that it's 2 months old, we're going into it's maybe, actually no, it's a little older than 2 months at this point. I'm probably going to be lifting the color since it is supposed to be spring. I'm not quite sure what this weather we're getting here in New York is, but I'm going to be lifting the color, and then we will give a secondary review on how it holds up after me lifting the color and wearing it. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope this video hasn't been too long. Hope I'm not talking too fast, but I hope you like this video. If you want to see more hair from another hair review for this brand, DSoar Hair, stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading another video shortly. Thanks for tuning in. Bye guys.